Hello class, I am going to talk a little bit about Cisco Systems Incorporated. This is a technology company that began as a switch and router company but has since then expanded their arena to the cloud and to video conferencing and really any sort of technology you can think of. They most likely have a part in it in some way. So for my project, the three areas that I thought were the most important, as this is a technology company, is the human rights that employees experience in the various manufacturing plants where Cisco products are produced, the social sustainability aspect, of course, and the end of life for their products and how they can address these issues. Their site will scroll down here to the bottom, and we will initially click on environmental sustainability and over here to the supply chain. And the very first thing you can see is that they have over 600 suppliers. This is an enormous number to attempt to manage. They have implemented various, as you can see here, the Cisco Supplier Code of Conduct, which all of their suppliers are encouraged to follow. They have hazardous materials regulations, and every aspect of the business, their contracts with their suppliers are requiring or encouraging the proper treatment of employers and laborers. For a supply chain of 600 different manufacturers, this is really the best that Cisco can do. They've done everything in their power. They do checkups, there are management reports, there's employee reports. They've really covered their bases, and short of lessening their supply chain and directly managing every single manufacturing plant, this is what they can do. And so here I really just have good news, which was encouraging. This was the very first thing I investigated, and that was a very positive aspect. You can see here there's a supplier ethics policy, conflict minerals policy, so they really have done almost everything that they can to ensure the proper treatment of those that participate in the production of their products. So that was very good. From here we'll click back. We will go over to corporate social responsibility. And there are many programs that Cisco has a part in for encouraging the growth and development of not only the U.S. but the world. They have a hand in many countries. Let's go up here. Just a quick glance right here. They have a hand in education, in IT, in the environment, and in volunteering. Every aspect is they have a hand in. So here's an example of their education programs. They have education programs Connected North, which connects northern remote Canadian classrooms to specialists and other classrooms in the U.S. to really engage those students who otherwise would be almost 100% secluded. They have down here, they've partnered with citizen schools, with City Year, with institutes and connectors and Teach for America. They are really, as with the insurance that their employees are being properly treated, they have created multiple programs to expand the education of every citizen that they are able to. Regarding health programs, they have Connected Healthy Children, which, as you can see here, transforming children's healthcare through collaborative technologies. This is a sort of teleconference program that enables doctors and specialists who collaborate to shorten the amount of time that people have to wait for answers and explanations of any illness they might be experiencing. Moving on, we can look at, I will click back to this page here, and the product trade-in, which I thought was really interesting, is a program that they have implemented to create a sort of circular economy within their company. They have designed a program that consumers can turn in used Cisco products and earn credit towards new Cisco products. And so I thought this was especially beneficial because there's millions upon millions of e-waste going into garbage dumps each year, and this just sits there for years and years and years and years. And so this sort of circular program, they're able to reuse products, revamp products, and encourage citizens and consumers that they are part of not only the problem, but the solution. So I thought that that was pretty exciting. Overall, I would say that Cisco as a whole company is doing their best to participate in positive social corporate responsibility. And that is my report. I hope you enjoy it.